Yeah.
Right. Keep it going. And now it's turned on. The fan works.
Call 1300 001 880. Email or visit diabeteswa.com.au to learn more. Time to check the weather forecast with Angie Asmus. Hello, Angie. Lots of sunshine around the country today. There sure is, and good morning. Most capitals, in fact, are enjoying settled conditions today. It's particularly beautiful on the east
When it
coast with
starts
lovely spring
ticking.
temperatures. So let's take a look outside right now with our weather wall. Brisbane, blue skies, aiming for 28 degrees today. That's only going to get warmer as the week progresses. In Sydney, plenty of sunshine right now, sitting on 21 degrees, which is not far off the forecast top of 22. In Melbourne, fine today, although a grey change is on the way for the rest of the week. It is currently a very nice at 19 degrees. And across to Adelaide, after a morning fog, the cloud cover will clear into a mostly sunny afternoon, getting to a top of 18. From the satellite, a front and trough in the west are bringing gusty winds and showers to southern WA. A weak trough and front over the southeast also bringing some light rain to parts of Victoria and Tasmania, while a high over the eastern interior is dragging a very warm air mass towards the coast. We will see the effects of that warm air mass around the nation
So the
tomorrow.
pump sign
Brisbane
came up.
expecting a top of 31 degrees. Warming up in Sydney as well, 24 is the forecast top.
Right, now we'll go outside.
By 21 degrees later in the day. A shower or two developing in Melbourne, 19 showers for Hobart and Adelaide as well.
It's just starting to blow smoke everywhere.
It stinks like hell. The stink goes inside too. That should be enough. It's not good for us to be here breathing that crap.
Well, just give it to me. And then the pump stops, it winds down, waits for a couple of minutes, goes through the sequence again, and then shuts down altogether.